I've got some deliveries and this time it is from TONTON'S NORACHICHI. Yes, if naglibog mo, Chicharon na siya girl. TONTON'S NORACHICHI takes pride in their freshly cooked norachichi. Therefore, no rush orders are allowed. Sa pagbubo na ko ba, murag klaro kayong excited ko mukao, no? Mag-pictorial pa ako but I can't wait to have one. You can avail this crispy chicharon with unod and tambok for 200 pesos for 1/4 kilo or 380 pesos for 1/2 kilo. To order, you may message Rei Antoni Escario in Facebook and in Instagram, or you may contact 0927-364-2398. For that, mga onata guys. Perfect. All around sar-sar suka, lami ra gyud siya. Makatambling ka sa kalami, pero dili lang ko mo tumbling ha. And then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and please continue to stay healthy and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!